Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make money on Pinterest. So basically you can earn money through many ways, and one of this is affiliate marketing or through affiliate marketing. You can promote products from platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Rakuten, Impact, and ClickBank. So how are you going to do that? You just have to simply create a pin with an engaging image or video and use your affiliate link in the pin URL. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. So let's just say you're going to get a URL from that specific product in Amazon or ClickBank. You must include that right here with the image or video, and you must also include you are associated with affiliate marketing. So add a picture or video from that product. You just make it more beautiful. You can use Canva for editing and then get the URL. Of course, you must sign up an account right here. Once you're qualified, you can now promote your product. You can get the link once you're qualified, once you have created an account, and then paste it here on your Pinterest. So when someone clicks this link, it will take them directly to the page. And then if they buy it, then you can get a commission. Another is that through Pinterest Creator Rewards, if it's available in your region, Pinterest may offer bonuses or payouts for creators who meet engagement goals through ideal pins. So you can switch to Pinterest business account, regularly post high quality idea pins, and then meet Pinterest eligibility criteria for payouts. And lastly is promote your blog or website. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your site where you can monetize with ads like Google AdSense. You can sell digital products and promote services or coaching. And basically, these are the ways on how to make money on Pinterest. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.